So my daughter challenged me to do this Vlogmas thing, which is you do a vlog every day for December. So I'm not that great at doing vlogging, so I've been doing it once a week. So I decided I'm going to do a FPV Vlogmas, and I'm going to try to pick a different location each day and fly one pack there. So today I'm at a local elementary school I've never flown at. So I'm going to fly here for one pack. Looks pretty interesting. Hopefully I don't crash and destroy anything. And that'll be my my vlog for today, and we'll see how it goes. So I've got my copter ready and getting ready to go fly. Looks like most everybody's cleared out now, so should be able to fly. Should be fun. So there's my Vlogmas for today. I didn't do anything spectacular, just kind of really flying around nice and fast, just kind of getting a feel for what it feels like to fly here. I'll definitely come back to this place again. Won't be on my Vlogmas, but I definitely will come back here and fly again and try to get used to going just a little slower so I can actually navigate through some of this stuff here and not scare the crap out of myself when I'm zipping around. But it was kind of fun. So and I wasn't sure if people was going to pop out on me or not, so I had to really be watching all around and listening for people. But all in all, fun. Merry Vlogmas, everyone. There's day one.